All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day 8 of our February daily math. We kind of have a three-parter for 2 questions here. We're going to start with 22, and we are going to add 44. 4 in the ones plus 2 in the ones column, so 4 plus 2 equals 6. And here we have a 4 plus a 2 again in the tens column, also equals a 6. So we have 66. Now we are going to subtract 15. 6 minus 5 equals 1. 6 minus 1 equals 5. And then we're going to add 37. So 7 plus 1 in the ones column equals 8. And 3 plus 5 also equals 8. So we should end up with 88 on that one. All right, number 3 says circle the measurement that makes sense. Monkey Shines is 20 feet tall or 20 inches tall. Well, 20 feet would be like 2 basketball hoops tall. I don't think Monkey Shines is that big, right? Let's go with 20 inches. Okay, number 4. Measure the length of the pencil in inches and centimeters. So I'm going to use our pattern block template, and let's go ahead and basically you can see the lines on the end here. This side is inches, and it says so right here, inches. So I'm going to line that line up right over here, and then I look over here, and that there is 4 inches. So I'm going to write down a 4 on this side. Now I'm going to turn our pattern block template around, and this time we're going to measure centimeters. Again, I want to zero it out first, right? So we're going to start by getting our 0. And I look up here, and I'm just a pinch over 10 centimeters. So we would keep that at 10 centimeters. Okay. Which answer is the larger number, inches or centimeters? Well, our answer is 10 centimeters versus 4, so 10 is larger than 4 as far as a digit goes, right? So what is the larger number? Well, the 10 is larger, or the centimeters, okay? Why is it larger? Because the units are smaller. The units are smaller than inches. So because they're smaller than the inches, there are more of them. It's the same exact length, but the number 10 is larger than 4, so therefore a lot smaller units make it a larger number. All right, boys and girls, we will see you tomorrow for day number 9 of our February Daily Math.